In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a 52-week savings challenge to build a $1,000 emergency fund using rolls of quarters. So stay tuned. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, welcome to another video. Thank you for stopping by. Wanda is my name and saving money is my game. If you're not saving for emergencies, let's make it yours too. Let's save more in 2025. Let's save more money in 2025, and we'll be glad that we did. And I'm asking if you would subscribe to this channel, click the thumbs up button, drop me a comment and let me know, what do you think of this video? Is it helpful? Is it a great idea? I'm very curious to know. And would you share this video, because there may be someone that could use this content also. And would you click the notification bell so you may be notified every time I upload a new video. I want to say thank you for being here. Welcome to everyone, and I hope everyone is doing well. And if you're participating in this particular savings challenge, let me know your progress so I can rejoice with you. Yeah. Because I'm happy for you if you're saving money for an emergency fund. And you will be happy too if you're doing that and you hadn't been doing it. Trust me, you start saving money for emergency fund, and when you get that emergency fund, or even if you have some of it and the emergency come up and you got some money to tap into, you will be so happy. And I'm creating these videos to encourage and motivate someone to start saving for emergency if they're not. All you have to do is be patient, consistent, and disciplined. And when we take small amounts of money, every time we get some money, put it away to the side and save it, it adds up over time. Yeah. Now, I have 7 savings challenges, and today's savings challenge number 4, which I do on Thursdays. Yeah. And what you need for this savings challenge is 2 rolls of quarters. You see this? 10, 20. $20. Okay? That's all you need. And a container to put it in. Now, this is a money bag that I got from the bank a long time ago. And they don't have these anymore. At least the bank I go to, they don't. But, I Googled it and it came up on eBay and Etsy for like $24.99. And one of my subscribers, they bought one also. And this is something that will be good to do. And I think it's kind of fun. So what you need to do is, when you get paid, however you get paid, when you go to the bank, just give the teller maybe a $20 bill, 2 10s, 4 5s, or 21s, whatever you have. And say, may I have 2 rolls of quarters? Okay, now, if you can do more than 2 rolls of quarters, awesome, that's good. And if you can't do 2 rolls of quarters every week, do what you can. Maybe one week you can only do 1, or maybe you can only do them every 2 weeks. But do something, because you'll be glad that you did. I'm telling you, when I started doing these savings challenges, I come across an ad that said the average American cannot cover a $100 emergency, and that's when I had my aha moment. That's what I can do. I can show viewers how to save money for an emergency with small amounts of money, because this is how I used to save money when I was saving money. It was always with a small amount of money. One time it might be 1s, another time it might be 5s, another time it might be 10s or 20s. That's how I used to do it. One time it may be change. So that's how I came up with this. And I didn't know that all of this stuff was going to be happening now, like all these job losses, all this government shutdown. I didn't know all of this was going to be happening. Sometimes I was thinking, oh man, I was telling people, save for emergency, put money away for emergency, And I'm not trying to say I told you so, but I just felt like it was a reason why I was saying this over and over and over, and here we are now. But I do realize a lot of people's financial situation, like they may be in this situation, or this situation and this situation, and they just can't see no way to save. That's what made me come up with the change savings challenge. Although we're not talking about that right now, but this is considered change too. It's just in rows of quarters. So I'm just trying to get you all to do something, because you'll be glad that you did. Now, we know we need to save at least $1,000, and that will cover Mercy up to $1,000, but we don't want to stop there. We want to save 3 to 6 months of our living expenses, because if something like this happens, you can have money to still live off of. You can still pay your rent, your mortgage, your gas bill, your electric bill, your cell phone, your car payment, your car insurance, your life insurance, and buy food and do whatever else you need when you have 3 to 6 months of your living expenses saved. You know, especially if something like this happens. If you have that 3 to 6 months saved, you can live off that until your situation changes. Okay, and we know I already said that we want to save at least $1,000. That'll cover Mercy up to $1,000. And that way, you won't have to go out and go get one of these, and run up a bunch of these. Okay? Yeah. We want to stay out of this because it's not free money. We pay a hefty price called interest, and the fees are horrendous. Now, another thing we need to do is stop eating out all the time because it's expensive. Go to the store and buy food and meal prep. Even like buying things like snacks and stuff rather than going to a vending machine. If you buy snacks and you have those at home, you know, carry them with you. Like me, I carry fruit with me, okay? That way if I want to snack on something, I have some fruit, and I carry pistachios, sunflower seeds, and pumpkin seeds. And that way, if I feel like want a snack or something, I'll snack on that, okay? And we want to live on less than what we make, watch our spending, stand out of this, have good behavior with money, manage our money well, and we want to not buy things we don't need. Just like today, I had to go to the mall again like I did yesterday because I'm walking at the mall. That's where I get my exercise. And today, went to the mall to walk, but not to shop, not to buy anything. Now, yeah, I was looking. You can't help but look. But I didn't buy nothing. Probably because I didn't really see nothing. But, you know, me, I already have my Mercy Fund. I have my 3 to 6 months of my living expenses. But still, I'm not trying to buy anything because I don't need anything now. Don't let me see a real cute jumpsuit. Oh, no. I might have to buy that. I mean, if it's something like I don't have, like the ones I already have, something different and really cute, and then the price has to be right also, because I'm not going to spend a whole lot on it. I don't know. I might have to buy that because I love jumpsuits. When I was a little girl, when jumpsuits was very popular, jumpsuits and bell bottoms. I loved jumpsuits then, and then when they came back now, I love jumpsuits. So if I see a jumpsuit, I don't know. I mean, like I said, okay. But anyway, I know people are going to spend some money sometime, just like me. Don't think just because I've been doing these savings challenges, I haven't spent any money. No, I have. But I'm careful of what I'm spending. I'm watching what I'm spending. I'm not spending too much, you know? So yeah, we just have to manage our money good and don't spend money like there's no tomorrow. And like I said, I have my Mercy Fund and my 3 to 6 months of my living expenses. And one thing I do know, something keeps coming to my mind. You know, someone was saying that next year they're going to be all in. And, you know, I've had people to say things like, you know, they got to pay off debt. Let me tell you something. I was doing these savings challenges with debt. Yes, I was still taking some money I paid my bills or whatever, but I was taking some money and putting away for emergency, okay? Because the thing about it is, if you don't have the money, you're going to end up using credit cards again, so you want to have some money. I mean, just like me, I just started recently carrying cash on me. I used to wouldn't carry no cash. I pay everything with my debit card. That way, to me, I could keep up with my spending. I would keep up with what I spend. And I didn't spend as much when I was using my debit card. But it got to a point, sometimes I had to keep cash because just like I had went and got my nails done. And something was going on with their credit card machine, or the system was down or something. And so I couldn't use my debit card. So I carry a $100 bill on me to, just to have it on me. So I ended up having to use that. And then I put it back where I have a particular place that I keep it. So anyway, yeah. So sometimes, we might have to use some cash rather than using a debit card, credit card. I mean, that's convenient, but every place may not take cash. Okay? All right. So, and another thing, if you do whatever you can to try to come up with these, pay these off. Start doing things. Find extra work, side hustles. Find ways to increase your income. Okay? Especially if this is your situation. Okay? And make sure you have multiple streams of income, more than one. And it just came to my mind. That's something I want to tell you all to do. Say daily affirmations. And I have one that I want you all to say. And it is, money now cometh to me. Money now cometh to me. Write it down and say it every day, all day, as much as you can. Money now cometh to me. Okay? So I'm going to try to remember to give you all an affirmation, something to say every day. And that was one that I say now, and I used to say it all the time. All the time. Money now cometh to me. Okay? All right. So let's go ahead and count our money and see how much we have. Okay? So 10, 20. This is what we had for last week. And this savings challenge was completed week before last. So we're starting over. So this is a way you can build a $1,000 emergency fund with rolls of quarters. So we have 10, 20, 30, 40. Oops, 40. Okay? So that's $40. Yay! Okay, let's go ahead and record. I can see it. From last year, what was it? October. I forgot what month I started this in. Yeah, October last year to October this year, I saved $1,000. And hopefully, you all was following me and doing the same thing. Someone should have $1,000 saved. Yeah. So today is Thursday, November 6th, and this is our money bag savings challenge, and this is considered cash stuffing. We added $10, and the total amount is $20. I mean, no. We added $10. No, we added $20. $20. So the total amount is $40. I'm thinking about yesterday's video, yesterday's savings challenge. Okay. Yeah, so it's $40. And like I said, this is starting over from last year's savings challenge, and it's going to go over to 2026. So I hope you all want to join me in this particular savings challenge. And I know a lot of people have to, get their finances in order. So just do what you can. Do what you can. Don't put yourself in any bind. Okay? Like I said, we need to be patient, consistent, and disciplined. Constantly adding to it and discipline by not touching it. Okay? All right. So, and don't forget, All right. Affirmation for today is money now cometh to me. Yeah. Say it all day until you get it in your mind, and then you start believing it. Okay? Yeah. Okay. All right. So you all, thank you for stopping by. Thank you for joining me. You all have a safe, wonderful day. Drop me a comment and let me know if you're doing this savings challenge or any other savings challenge, and let me know your progress so I can rejoice with you. You all have a safe, wonderful day and happy savings. I'll catch you in the next video.